What up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. This is Drop It Like It's Scott. My name is Scott. I wanted to take you guys on a journey. Long story short, I was skeptical in regards for getting a suppressor because of the long time period it takes to get your tax stamp approved. But recently I have heard that the time for approval for tax stamps has been days instead of months. So I went through the process with my buddies over at the Armories, and they walked me through the entire process, and it was super simple. And my tax stamp for my Omega 300 was approved in 9 days. Not 9 months, 9 days. So today we are going back to the Armories to get another suppressor. Today we're getting the FN Rush 9 Ti 9mm suppressor, and I want to take you on that journey. I want to show you how simple the process is and how companies such as the Armories will walk you through step by step the exact way to get things taken care of, and there will not be any problems. Well, maybe not any problems. You have to make sure you're eligible and legal to have a suppressor and all that good stuff. But companies such as the Armories will show you how to do it. They'll walk you through it. They'll take you step by step through the process of getting your suppressors. Now, I think that a suppressor should just be able to be purchased. That's just me. And I don't think that there's anything that the NFA should have to say about it. Again, that's just me. But since we have to follow these rules, we're gonna make sure that we do it right and make sure that we get things done properly. So let's head on into the Armories and we're going to pick up another suppressor. Let's do it. All right, y'all, we're here at the Armories and we're gonna pick out a suppressor. And we're thinking the 9mm FN 9 Ti.
The FN Rush TM 9 Ti is a highly versatile and reliable 9mm suppressor, delivering an unmatched shooting experience. Reliable feeding and extraction with most common ammunition types is the new standard, maintaining the exceptional accuracy, mounting the FN Rush 9 Ti to any pistol barrel, making for a smooth shooting experience without the yike or heavy blowback and stoppages common with most suppressors. The FN Rush 9 Ti has the ultimate strength to weight ratio.
So tell me why this suppressor is the one to get.
This one's specifically made for the FN 509. The FN 509 is great, has a cold hammer forged barrel, so it's going to go very nice with this suppressor here. As you can see, aesthetically it's very nice, the color, beautiful. And the best part is, the approval process is much faster nowadays, so no more year-long wait. You're getting them average about a month. Some are getting them within a week.
And y'all know that I've gone through this process once already, and I picked up the Omega 300. And he's not wrong when he says that the time is not that long to get your approval. Mine took 9 days, so that's pretty spectacular. We're gonna go over to the kiosk. We're gonna get this thing all set up, get everything rolling. So let's set this over here. Let's head on over to the silencer shop kiosk and get this thing rolling. All right, so here we go. We got the kiosk right here. And we're gonna walk you through the whole process. We're gonna do it step by step. All right, so first things first.
So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna make an ATF eForm account and a silencer shop account that you could download onto your phone. It'll send you a QR code once you set up the application. Then once you get the QR code emailed to the email, you're gonna go ahead and tap one of these. The easiest one is gonna be that one right there on the right.
All right, so the first one we're gonna go in, we're gonna hit request new code login. Put in first name. You wanna make sure you put everything in there and spell it all correctly, right?
Yep. The information needs to be exact same way you set up your silencer shop app. So same first name, last name, phone number, and email, they're gonna be very important.
If this is your first time completing this process, you will have to submit your fingerprints. All this is done right here at the silencer shop kiosk.
You just hit submit, and it'll send the QR code to your email.
Generating QR code. There it is. And it came through that quick.
And you hit next.
Hit next. Where's that scanner?
Up top.
Okay.
Camera up top.
Camera, right? So this shows everything's already there.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is that because I've already got an account with Silencer
Yeah,
Shop?
since you already have NFA items, you basically don't have to do anything as long as everything is still up to date.
Okay.
But for somebody who's first starting it over for the first time, rather, their first time buying an NFA item, they're gonna run through the customer profile, they're gonna scan the fingerprints, they're gonna
And all that's
sign
done
it.
right here on the kiosk, and everything's all handled right here.
Yes, sir.
So customer profile, fingerprints, signature capture, personal information, registration, photo, and then that's all going to go into the app as well.
Yes, sir.
All right.
The whole process takes about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Once you finish everything here, you're gonna set up the ATF eForm account.
Okay.
ATF eForm account, that'll be done on ATF's website.
Okay.
So you just go to ATF eForms, set up the account,
Okay.
buy your tax stamp, and that's the 3 things that you need to do. Through Silencer Shop's website, is you could buy the tax stamp on there.
Okay.
So everything is already pretty much done. Once you do that, all you got to do is wait for the certification date.
Okay. Certification is usually what takes the longest to get it.
On average now, about a week.
Okay. On
Yes.
average to get it. So that's not bad. Like we were saying, you come in here once you complete the forms here. If you're a first-time NFA item purchaser, you're going to have to go through your customer profile, get your fingerprints scanned on the scanner. It's going to scan both hands, all fingers. Get your fingerprints. You get a signature captured on here, personal information, registration information, and then upload a photo. You'll get your photo taken here at the shop. Once you get your photo taken here at the shop, make sure you look good. Make sure you combed your hair and brushed your teeth and all that good stuff, and get a good smile on there, because that's going to be important for sure. This is one of the simplest ways to get a suppressor. It like Pat was saying, it's like takes 5 minutes to go through this process, and then you can go to the ATF website and get everything else squared up.
Yep.
From there.
Yep.
All
So
right.
you do everything on the kiosk, create an ATF eForm account, buy the tax stamp, Silencer Shop and ATF do all the heavy lifting.
Once you have completed all of the proper forms on a Silencer Shop, website and kiosk, you will receive an email in referencing completion of your tax stamp purchase once your tax stamp is purchased. You will receive an email that will state, "Ready to certify." Then you will contact your FFL and they will help you through that process of certification. Once the certification is complete, it is the beginning of the waiting game. Hopefully, with the way things are going now, the waiting game will not be that long.
3 weeks later.
All right, guys, 22 days later, I've completed through the NFA, and all the good people of our government officials have approved this right here. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this little video, and you guys can see how easy the process is to pick up a suppressor. And I appreciate the fact that the guys here at the armories have been so great in allowing me to work with them. Make sure you click the link on my website for the armories. Go over there, pick your stuff up, pick up your tools, and all that good stuff. Hey, thanks for watching Drop It Like It's Scott. Hope you guys have a great day. Here's your word of encouragement for today. This comes out of 1 Timothy 6:12. It says, "Fight the good fight and hold true faith. Hold tightly to the eternal life which God has called you to, which you have declared so well before many witnesses." Hey, thanks for watching Drop It Like a Scott. Enjoy your day, enjoy the journey. Until we see each other again next time.